Hello, and welcome to the Research Prospectus, otherwise known as the Research Proposal. As part of the development process of your semester-long research project, yes, semester-long research project, you will be responsible for submitting 3 different research prospectuses. Each prospectus will have a specific focus on updating me on where you are in the development process of your topic and ultimately your final argument. For the first prospectus, you'll be writing a research proposal. A research proposal is the presentation of an idea that you wish to pursue. It is not an argument paper on your topic. It is a preview of what you would like to work on and why for the remainder of the semester. So again, not an argument paper, but a preview of what your topic is and why you believe your topic is important to work on. This is not meant to be a 1,500 plus word research paper, nor should it be just a few brief sentences. This paper should be convincing enough that I believe you believe in and know enough about your topic to be successful with the final project. So what goes in this research proposal? The proposal has 4 parts. Part 1, a statement of the question of your paper that you will answer. Again, remember the point of your paper is to argue something. Don't write a question that has a singular answer, like how many homeless people there are in the United States. Yes, that question has an answer, but it can't be argued. It's just a question of fact. Your question might start with should. Should illegal aliens be granted citizenship? Should more money be dedicated to education? Should same-sex couples be allowed to marry? Now, obviously, some of these examples are a little less timely, and certainly laws have already been implemented that make some of these research questions no longer insignificant or relevant for a paper like we are talking about right now. Okay, so you want to make sure that the research question that you're addressing is something that you really can work with for the course of the semester. You want something that doesn't have a whole bunch of legal repercussions or something that's already been done and you're just trying to jump on board with why it's still right. Now, if you disagree with a law that has been enacted and you believe that the law should be reversed, then that's a whole different conversation. That's a different angle on the question. Part 2, include a statement as to what your argument will be. This is where you make sure that your opinion is clear. Include a yes, no, for, against, but make sure you're ready to explain with some detail. Does this mean that within the next couple of weeks your opinion can't change? No, it could change. But for right now, I want to know and I want to understand that you understand how to take a position on a particular argument. Part 3. Part 3 is a statement that explains the context of your argument. Why is this issue significant today? Who is impacted by this issue? Use creative and critical thinking to determine the significance of your topic. Remember, you're focusing on this for the rest of the semester. So make sure you pick a topic that you're ready to love and live with for the next 14 to 15 weeks. Part 4. Part 4 is a statement of how your argument will differ from that which has been made by other authors. In other words, how are you going to address this in slightly a different way? Nobody hates a research paper that just beats a dead horse because the topic's been done over and over and over and over and over again. Okay? For example, abortion. Ugh, my least favorite topic to read about. Very few times in my 19-year history of teaching have I ever heard somebody handle the abortion topic well. Okay? You want to choose something, you got to make sure that you've got a unique angle. Okay? How can you make it original? Okay, this is your clincher for convincing me that I should let you pursue this topic. Original and different shouldn't scare you though. Yes, your end result, pro, con, yes, no, will be the same as what has been done before. But your method or path of getting there should be unique. Your decision to collect a variety of different resources and a variety of different angles of argument is what will make your paper unique. The arguments and solutions you select will make your paper unique to the final point that you want to make. Again, you may not know exactly what will make your paper unique right now or exactly what you want to write. Your paper is going to change over the course of the semester. You're going to change your arguments. You're going to change your angles slightly, all right? Your paper may, after the first rhetorical analysis, even as you dive into research, you might completely change, and that's okay. But at this point, right now, you need to select at least or have at least a basic idea of what it is that you want to accomplish with this paper. All right, so 4 parts to the proposal, okay? The question your paper will answer, which is also known as the research question. And again, remember, this is the point that your paper is going to argue. So you need to make sure you have a clear understanding of your central idea. 2, a statement as to what the argument will be. This is the opinion, okay? This is your purpose. This is your rhetorical stance. Number 3, a statement that explains the context of your argument. Who's going to care and why? And finally, a statement about how you're going to make this just a little bit different than everybody else. Make sure that you present clearly how your argument is going to be just a little bit different. Make sure at this point you've considered your audience. This is the start again of a series of papers that you will be writing. You will be ultimately working toward either a position or a proposal paper. You don't need to know which one you want to do right now. The decision naturally will be made as you work through the different assignments this semester and through the research and the things that you learn. Keep in mind that regardless of the final paper type, you are writing an argument paper. You have to make sure that your topic and ultimately your position on that topic fulfills that need of an argument paper or of that requirement of an argument paper. So that's it. Get started. 4 simple parts to this paper. It's not a research paper, it is a proposal. So make sure that you keep focused on the purpose of this paper, and remember, I'm your audience. You're trying to convince me. Good luck, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out and ask the questions and get some help from me. Thank you.